Pixel Watch 2 gets preferred care insurance replacements, as repairs might not be an option. Repairing a Pixel Watch was impossible, and it seemed that repairs still won't be an option for the new Pixel Watch 2. Google will, however, replace your watch with an insurance policy. The Google Pixel Watch, while a great-looking device, wasn't the most durable, as it didn't take long for owners to break their fancy new Wear OS watches last year. That led to the reveal that repair options were non-existent, something that Google explicitly confirmed months later. And, for Pixel Watch 2, it appears that repairs won't be available again, at least through Google. On a support page, Google details that accidental damage for screen repairs is not available as an option for the Pixel Watch 2. That doesn't necessarily confirm that Google won't fix a broken watch, but the company wasn't able to offer any updates to repairability for the updated smartwatch when we asked in recent weeks. But, for customers, there's at least one new option this year. Google explains on that same support page, and through the Pixel Watch 2 store listing, that Preferred Care is now available on the sequel. Preferred Care is Google's extended warranty insurance policy which covers accidental damage and more. The policy is available for Pixel Watch 2 either on a monthly basis for $4 per month, or for 2 years with an $89 fee. The monthly plan does max out at a term of 60 months, at which point Google offers no insurance options. The plan covers accidental damage, such as drops, liquid spills, and cracks, as well as covering any mechanical issues after Google's usual warranty expires. If your enrolled Pixel Watch 2 requires a claim to be submitted, Google will charge $49 for a repair or replacement service fee. Google, notably, also briefly offered this option for the original Pixel Watch, but removed it within a few weeks, except for Google Fi customers. Best Buy also offers a protection plan that will replace your Pixel Watch 2 if it breaks, whether that's the screen or the battery, or anything else. The Accidental Geek Squad replacement plan runs $79.99 for 2 years of coverage, which is perhaps an even better value than Google's offer, especially seeing as there's no mention of an added cost, at least that we can find, for when you need to replace the watch.